So what is the difference between a factory unlocked iPhone and a factory locked iPhone? Which one should you buy? So if you go on eBay or Amazon right now and you're looking for an iPhone to buy, you're going to see a lot of deals. Some of the iPhones, they are going to refer to them as factory locked. And those ones will be like $200 to $300 cheaper or $100 cheaper than the ones that are factory unlocked. And so you'll be tempted to buy the one that is factory locked because it's cheaper. But before you go ahead and buy, here's what you need to know. First of all, why are they referred to as factory locked or factory unlocked iPhones? So in advanced nations like in the US or in the UK, it is easier and cheaper for most people to buy an iPhone from a carrier like, let's say, AT&T or Tree UK, because they are going to offer you the iPhone on a plan, so you are not going to pay for it outrightly. You are going to pay a particular percentage, you collect the phone, and then the rest of the payment will be spread over time. While this is a good thing and it's also cheaper for you, here's another thing that you need to know. These iPhones will be restricted to only the network that sold you the phone. So if AT&T sold the phone to you, you might not be able to use a T-Mobile SIM inside the iPhone unless an AT&T SIM card. Another problem here is that you will not be able to take the phone out of the US, for instance, to another country and use the phone. Because if you take the phone out of the US and go to another country, the SIM cards won't work. You can only use the phone on Wi-Fi. In order to bypass this, you can actually go ahead and do what is called a factory unlocked. But the thing is that factory unlocks are super expensive. So these iPhones that are bought from carriers and they are still under contract are the iPhones that are referred to as factory locked iPhones. Then the factory unlocked iPhones are the ones that you buy outrightly and pay for it. You are not on any plan. You can use whatever SIM you want in any part of the world. So if you're in the market for an iPhone right now, don't be tempted by those juicy deals of those factory locked iPhones. It's a trap. Buy an iPhone that is factory unlocked. It might be a little bit more expensive. Just go ahead and buy it.